Hey everyone, welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we're going to be talking about this awesome little product that Safariland puts out. It's the ELS, so that's equipment locking system, and it looks very similar and acts very similar to the QLS, so that's the quick locking system. If you want to check out a video for that, we'll have it linked below. But anyway, the whole purpose of this is for equipment, hence the name of equipment locking system. So if you want to put like mag pouches or an OC spray and you want to like quickly change it out for a different one, this allows you to do that so that you're not stuck with the same one on your tactical thyroid. All right, so this is the leg shroud that I'm working on for myself. It's like 99% done. Next time I go shooting, I just have to adjust the ride height to fit me. But anyway, let's get into the ELS. And for that, I'm gonna step closer. So as promised, here's an up-close view of the ELS. So that's the equipment locking system. And so it's a 2-stud system to go along with the equipment pouches. So first, you have a bottom stud here, and then up here you have a top stud. As you'll notice, there's a few other holes. These are meant more for if you're doing competition shooting. Your belts are gonna have a bunch of different holes so that you can adjust the cant of your various equipment pieces to suit your needs so that you can get those rounds off faster. For the purpose of the leg shroud, it's just gonna be these two straight vertical. And so that's what the ELS receiver plate looks like. For the fork, here's an up close look, and as you can tell, here's the 2-stud hole, and you can also adjust the cant if you were doing like your competition shooting and you had a smaller item. This particular one I have is an OC spray for an MKII, but show you how it works. It's just like the QLS system, the quick locking system. You will slide this in, you hear that audible click, and you know your pouch is secure. So you may notice I have 2 of them here. Well, that's because what I actually like to do is I'll move the OC back to where I have it. And up front, what I do is have a mag pouch. So it's kind of cool because what you can do is you can swap things out. So I like to go to the range with a couple of different firearms, and they each use different mag pouches. So this makes it easy for me to swap out the mag pouches and then the holsters with the QLS system. And it makes your system so much simpler and awesome looking. I'd recommend you guys picking up a set for yourself. We're gonna link everything down below. And thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe. Talk to you later.